Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Chainlink services from smart contract tooling. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Chainlink services from your smart contract tooling, begin by accessing your development environment. Open your code editor where your smart contract project is located. Locate the configuration file associated with Chainlink services. This file typically contains dependencies or references to Chainlink libraries. Remove any references to Chainlink from your configuration file. This step ensures that your project does not attempt to load Chainlink services anymore. Next, navigate to your smart contract files. Identify any imports or usages of Chainlink within the contract code. Remove those imports by deleting the relevant lines at the top of your contract files. Ensure that you also remove any functions or variables that rely on Chainlink functionality. After cleaning the code, proceed to your package manager. Run the command to uninstall the Chainlink packages. For instance, if you're using npm, use the command npm uninstall at chainlink/contracts. If using yarn, the command would be yarn remove at chainlink/contracts. Verify that the Chainlink packages have been successfully removed. Next, test your smart contract thoroughly to ensure no errors occur after the removal. Attempt to compile your smart contracts to check for any unresolved dependencies. If there are errors, revisit your code to ensure all Chainlink references are deleted. Once your contracts compile successfully, proceed to deploy your updated contracts. As a final step, monitor the network to ensure that the deployment was successful. Review your project documentation to ensure all notes regarding Chainlink services are updated or removed. This concludes the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.